On the next page, we're going to calculate choices and probability. Let's read together. Number 1, the ice cream shop has 3 flavors of ice cream and 5 different toppings. Okay, 3 flavors could be strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla, and the toppings could be, nuts, sprinkles, chocolate sprinkles, whatever. Use the multiplication counting principle to calculate the total number of choices for one flavor of ice cream and toppings. So how many different combinations can you have of ice cream and toppings? So you are right here. This is you standing right here with your 3 choices. Oh, that's the ugliest stickman I've ever drawn. Okay, here's one of your choices. Here's the other, and here's the other. Okay, you can choose the flavors that you like. As I mentioned, I'm going to use vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate. And there you have it, strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate. Now, for toppings, let's try to think of some 5 different toppings. Well, it's a bit hard to think of some, so let's just call them A, B, C, D, and E. Not very creative, but it'll help the process. And there you go, A, B, C, D, E. So when we get to the bottom of it, you get to see exactly, you can count across and see exactly the total. But a nice easy way to think is, for vanilla, if I choose vanilla, I still have the 5 different options of toppings. If I choose strawberries, I have 5 other, and all of these are going to be different combinations. So I have 5 choices here, another 5 with strawberry, and another 5 here. Okay, so in total, how many toppings do you have? Sorry, not topping, but choices. You have 15 choices in total. Okay, I want you to try question 2. U.S. radio station. For question 2, we're asked, we're being told that a U.S. radio station call letters must start with W or K. So, as in WNIB or KYFF. So, really, all the radio station must either start with a W or with a K. How many choices are there for the first letter? Well, they just told us we only have 2 choices. Okay, so make sure you write 2 choices on there. That's all we have. What about for the second letter? Well, after that, there's no regulation. You can use whatever letter you want because it could be the name of your radio station. And how many letters are there in the alphabet? 26, right? You can count through them. Oh, sorry. The first one is 2 letters, right? Okay, W or K. But then for the second letter, you actually have 26 choices because there's 26. And for the third letter, again, 26 choices. There are 26 in the alphabet. And for the last letter, another 26 choices. So, how many different letter combinations are there possible? Try this if you'd like as a tool to identify how many different combinations you will have, or simply use the multiplication method where you multiply the first with the second, the third, and the fourth, and that will give you all the possible combinations that you can have. So it should look like this. How many different 4-letter combinations are possible for the name of a radio station? Well, take the 2 times 26 times 26 times 26. It's going to equal 35,000 something. I want you to tell me what the something is in class tomorrow. Go ahead and do C, where you would use a tree diagram to solve this problem. Explain why or why not would you use a tree diagram. Well, I think you can pretty much know, but I want you to explain it to me. And then go ahead and finish 3, A and B, and let me know how many possible combinations for each. Let's check these in class tomorrow, boys and girls. This also is another key answer.